And from the world of business then, China says that its economy grew 5% last year, meeting Beijing's official data target. But it's one of the slowest growth rates the country has ever recorded in decades. It's a new data that shows momentum weakened sharply towards the end of the year as weak consumer spending, a deep property slump and even trade tensions with the United States continue to weigh on growth sentiment. According to official data released on Monday, China's economy expanded 5% in 2025, matching the government's target of around 5%, but it also underscores a prolonged slowdown in the world's second largest economy. Growth eased noticeably in the final months of 2025. Fourth-quarter GDP rose 4.5%, down from 4.8% in the previous quarter, which makes the weakest pace in nearly 3 years. Domestic demand remains a major concern. Retail sales rose just 0.9% in the month of December, the slowest growth since the end of 2022 and down from 1.3% in the month of November. Highlighting fragile consumer confidence and high unemployment worries, China's once booming property sector continues to drag on growth. Fixed asset investments fell 3.8% last year, while real estate investments plunged as low as 17.2% despite repeated rate cuts and relaxed home buying rules. House prices have stabilized in some major cities, but the broader housing market remains sluggish. In fact, trade remained a rare bright spot, even as tensions with Washington flared following Donald Trump's return to the White House. Chinese exports to the US dropped 20% last year, but demand from other regions helped offset the decline. The country posted a record trade surplus of nearly $1.2 trillion last year. Exports to the ASEAN countries rose 13.4%, shipments to Africa surged 25.8%, and exports to the European Union climbed 8.4%, despite softer imports from the bloc. Analysts now warn that the growth has been uneven and increasingly reliant on exports, with weak household spending and heavy debt in the property sector posing long-term risks. Pressure is now building on Beijing to roll out stronger stimulus measures to revive domestic demand and stabilize the economy as a whole.